Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are going to be making a chocolate chip cookie in a cast iron skillet. Guys, if you want cookies for dessert, this cast iron skillet chocolate chip cookie recipe might be exactly what you need. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My cast iron skillet is already seasoned, so I don't need to grease it. So guys, let's get into the ingredients. You are going to need all-purpose flour, brown sugar, granulated sugar, 1 egg, salt, baking soda, vanilla extract, chocolate chips for topping, chocolate chips, butter, and crystal flake salt. Let's get right into it, guys. To start, we are going to melt the butter. Meanwhile, we're gonna go ahead and combine our dry ingredients. In a small bowl, combine the flour, salt, and baking soda. Mix well and set aside. Pour the melted butter into a mixing bowl. Then we're gonna go ahead and add the sugars and whisk well. Mix for 1 minute, then add vanilla extract to cool down the mixture slightly before we add the egg. Mix until just combined. If we add the egg first, the hot butter is gonna scramble the egg, and we don't want that, guys. Add the egg and mix well for 30 seconds. Now we're gonna add the flour mixture. Use a rubber spatula to mix this until just combined. Do not over mix, guys. It should take about 1 minute. After 1 minute, this is how our cookie dough should look. We're gonna go ahead and add chocolate chips. Mix well, then transfer the dough onto a cast iron skillet. Now, using your hand, press your cookie dough into even layer. Now use the spatula to flatten the top. Next, grab a handful of chocolate chips and feel where the chocolate is not visible and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. The cookie is done, guys. We're gonna go ahead and sprinkle with crystal flake salt, then top with butter pecan ice cream. This cookie, guys, is wonderfully rich in flavor. I love the golden and the crispy around the edges and gooey and soft in the center. I know your family will love it. To serve this cookie, you can grab a bunch of spoons and dig right in or cut into wedges for individual servings. And if you are lucky enough to have leftovers, guys, place the cookie in a Ziploc bag and keep at room temperature for up to 1 week. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my